Apple's new Image Playground app. Apple's iOS 18 update is bringing a lot of exciting features, including a customizable home screen and Apple Intelligence. Apple's upcoming app, Image Playground, is the part of Apple Intelligence Suite, through which the user will be able to generate images by giving text commands or based on a photo of someone. The Image Playground app marks a significant move in AI technology, as Apple's decision to label AI-generated images aims to stop false information. The iOS 18 app will label AI-generated images in their metadata, labeling that they were created by Apple Intelligence. According to Craig Federici, Apple's VP of Software Engineering, the app will mark up the metadata of generated images, making it clear that they were created by Apple Intelligence. Interestingly, the app will only generate cartoonish images, not photorealistic ones, which is also a deliberate design choice to prevent misinformation spread. In iOS 18 Beta 1, another framework, visual generation, includes references to a forensics feature for labeling and identifying AI images. Additionally, these Apple Intelligence features aren't available yet in iOS 18 Beta for testing, but will be announced later this year. The company has already announced that some features displayed at WWDC 2024 won't be available until 2025. However, the iOS code suggests that there will be a waiting list for the users interested in enabling Apple Intelligence during beta period.